Sibonana ngako ukuthi thina siyafika usebenza. Umuntu uthi umtolile lana umuntu umnyama wala naye ke wefa nosebenza. Yangizwa. Kodwa ke like lapha yana siyahlangana nje indawo yokuthi siyasebenza. Yabo. So angashongo ukuthi lawayana abantu lawo ukuthi barongo kakhulu kodwa ke sikhuluma lapha izinto ukukhalisayo kakhulu lokuthi umqosha thina abantu bemnyama kuphela.
Yeah, siyabonga.
Mafethu ukhuluma sakwamukela.
Yeah.
Afethu ukhulumile kahle. Give me 5.
Hayi, kunzima. Yeah.
Uzobatshela.
Ah, mina ke ngikhulume.
Hayi mafethu lokho sakwa
Woza. Yayizwa lo nto.
hayi bese siyakwamukela lokho bese siyahamba.
Yeah.
Kahle siyahamba.
Ayikho inji leyo izokhona. Isinye isikhathi nje ubona ukuyenza lo yona.
Yeah.
Ube naso sesitini kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ubona hayi imaki. Ube naso sitini. Yonke into yenzeka la kunye isikhathi siyakhalisa.
Yeah.
Indawo usho ukuthi umasipala. Yonke indawo la usho ukuthi yamasipala kuqala.
Yeah.
Uphinde lapho ke even abantu bayawaka la eMthontolo indawo basho ukuthi yamasipala.
Yeah.
Wena usho ukuthi indawo yamasipala le igovernment icontrola uba.
Hayi, cha ufuna ukukhuluma la.
Hayi,
Sondele kabya.
Imakancane.
Yeah, sondele.
Yamasipala. Ayithangane nathi. Thina singene ngendaba yamasipala madodana. Umdedela. Bona kubabona abantu babo nje imizi yabo ukuthi bahlala khona lapha eMthontolo bakhe ngawo. Thina kufanele bona bese bawake inye indawo bathi la ayikho umuntu futhi omunye uzohlala khona.
Yeah.
Kufanele athinikeze thina sirende lapha. Kuba siyarenda asimfuce umuntu umuzi before yena usiphumele yena yedwa. Phela kuba indaba yamasipala ahlangane nathi.
Yeah.
Thina sihlangana n'indaba bathi khohlwa lana sibuyele semakhaya.
Yeah.
Phela thina lapho. Manje qha umani ungakahambi because ngiyabona ukuthi ubhuti omdala obhuti abadala abaningi banezingane la eMzansi wena ukhona ingane oyishiya la eMzansi
even mina nginayo
ingane senjengamina lapha seRichmond ikhona izingane zikhona ziwu2 manje siyayishiya manje iyasiya ayikho enye nje ngizoyenza
manje ubani uzoyiprovide amahhala
ngisiye semakubo uma wakhe umalume wakhe abantu esekhaya lapho bazomsiza yena manje alukho uhlelo ongalenza lokuthi ngelinye ilanga umlando bawaye ahamba yokugana phela umuntu esifazane vele uyagana akufanele yena kuba basicabangela ngingqondo ukuthi ebona nginathi ingane nabantu futhi bazalisa ingane la ngeke athi konke semnje ngale ndlela bayenza ngayo manje thina sithi engcono sibuyele ekhaya bona izingane bazosithuma khaya lapho
So mana awuhambe ngani na ingane zakho?
thina ngeke sihambe nezingane asikhokhilanga imali.
Yeah. Oh anilobolanga. Yeah.
Siyathandana kuphela.
Oh yeah.
Uyathandana thokele ingane.
Yeah.
100% angithi yena uthola ingane.
Yeah.
Mina ngitholela uthando. Kuba uthando luphelile.
Awusuka. Manje mama awulobolanga ngani?
Sithi siyathandana.
Yeah.
Hayi ngifike kwakhaya la ukuthi ngifike kokhokhela intombazana.
Yeah.
Siyathandana maqaleni.
Yeah.
Sifika ngakhaya konkuza kwema. Mana uthi wena kahle wena uthola uthando. Yena uthola uthando. Ubani othola uthando leda ngizwa kahle. Yabona ke intombazana bese uncela. Omunye siyamthola izingane zakhe lapha.
Yeah.
Nami kuba nginangilithuba lapha ngizoyithola ingane yami. Kwayena futhi.
Yeah.
Okay. Kodwa bona lezingane zakhe lapha shame ngezingane singakanani ziyafunda esikole.
Yeah.
Thina siyafundisa esikole izingane sinye sifunda matric lapha sihambe sibe sigade esikoleni sikwathina. Bona basiphothwa lapha angasicabangela ukuthi la bantu benze njani ekhaya lethu bese basifundisa sethu.
Yeah.
Siyafundisa izingane esikoleni.
Yeah.
Sinikeze imali.
Yeah.
Siyakhoja izingane zethu sina lapha semakhaya sifundisa izingane zabo bona. Kodwa bese basikhonga lapha akasicabangela ukuthi la bantu bawenzani.
Mana bekuyizingane zakho yini lezi u2 lezi la eSouth Africa? Ingane zakho kodwa noma usiza usisibala eSouth Africa mhlawumbe abashiwa amadoda noma bashiwe ingane zabe abayishiye namadoda. Yeah.
Ingane la ngizime ngala eSouth Africa u2.
Yes, yeah.
bazotholakala futhi abanye bazosiza ngathi mina
Akuzona ezakho
zami
ezakho manje
besingila
yeah
besimakhohlwa la nami ngizothiya koma wayo
yeah
bazotholakala abanye futhi bazosiza zezi
Ayoza brazoza ayeka ayinonile ikhaleli ayisuka ayinonile yeah woza qhawa sambeni qhawa ubambe kabela ayahlekisa leya kabe
Yeah, when I speak English, because I don't know too much like
yeah
It's only a question and comment.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, what I want to ask is South African people.
Yeah.
Why you South African people, you only saying that black people, they must go.
Yeah.
Yet white people, there are a lot of people, illegal white people in South Africa.
Yeah.
Like they bring their relationship from other countries.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But they're not following those people
Yes.
to ask if they're documented or are not documented.
Yeah.
They're only going to
black people, yes,
black
yeah.
people.
Yeah.
Yet we are Africans.
Yes.
Yeah? Why are they doing that?
Ish.
My comment is, they have to know South Africa, you South African people, you have to know that money goes around like that.
Yes, yeah.
We exchanging money every day.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes,
I can
true.
buy something from someone.
Yeah.
Or I can get salary from someone.
Yeah.
That salary I'm gonna share to someone. I'm gonna buy something from ShopRite.
Yes, yeah.
We exchanging.
Yes. Money. Yes, true.
All
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy something from Spaza.
Yeah.
That Spaza shop, they're gonna take that money to buy from ShopRite.
Yes, true.
We exchanging every day that money.
Yeah.
So now
In Africa, yes.
Especially because we are in South Africa.
Yes,
now.
yeah.
Especially in South Africa.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Leave about Africa now.
Yes.
Especially in South Africa.
Yeah.
Nizolambani. Because why you gonna be suffering? Because we exchanging money.
Yes, yeah.
Once we exchange money, I must get battle money from us.
Yes, for you.
Eh?
Yeah.
Matters, the taxi drivers, they get money from us.
Yes, yeah. True.
Bazolamba bon.
True, yeah.
And the Amaspaza shop,
Yes.
they're getting money from
Supported
us.
by you, yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
Even the government, they're getting money from us.
Yes.
Once we going, Malawi they're going, Nigeria they're going, Egypt or Somalia
Yeah.
they're going.
Yeah.
Where they get money? How are we going to exchange money in South Africa?
Yeah.
Nothing. You have to know that your economy is going to go down.
Yes,
and
yeah.
actually it's going down already.
Yes,
I'm
yeah.
telling you
Yeah.
the truth.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So respond on the first question that was asked. You're saying like the people that are being chased here are the black people, the people that are black. I don't think they've mentioned who need to go or who don't need to go. Like they said immigrants.
Yes.
Must go.
Those people who
They didn't mention
undocumented.
that the black people like me with the same hair should go. I wanted to clarify on that. Maybe you didn't hear.
Okay, and in the same comment
Yeah.
of your comment, right?
Yeah.
Okay, they didn't mention that the black people they must go.
Yeah.
You understand? But let me ask you that. You sure that white people they don't have, they're all documented, all white people, or India they're all documented.
Yeah.
They're not foreigners like all they got papers.
Yeah.
That's my question I'm asking you.
Yeah.
You have to answer that question.
Yeah.
All white people they got papers.
Yeah.
And if they're all documented, why they're not going there like Eastern, like Cape Town there?
Yes.
Or Orania,
Yeah.
to check those people that they sure that documented.
Yeah.
They just coming from, just coming to us.
Yeah.
Yet they know that we are poor people. We came here for searching someone for our family in our country. You understand?
Yeah.
For that question you're asking me, or you are commenting, the one who was asking me, I just want to ask you like that.
No, it's because I've never seen them like searching those people. So I don't know if they are illegal here or not. So I cannot respond on that.
And let me tell you something, another thing. I've seen a lot of Indians, they're killing each other.
Yeah.
A lot of killing each other.
Yeah, a lot of Indians, they're killing each other like
Where?
shooting gun because
Oh, yeah.
of they're selling what? They're selling drugs.
Oh yeah.
You understand what
Yeah.
I'm saying? I've seen in South Africa a lot of people, because
Yeah.
I'm 10 years in South Africa.
10 years?
You understand? 10 years in South Africa.
When you
selling
arrived
drugs,
here?
they're killing each other, shooting each other. Because they're selling what? Drugs.
Yeah,
You
true,
understand?
true.
White people, Also, white people, they're selling drugs in South Africa,
Yeah.
but you don't know anything. You understand?
Yeah.
They can bring drugs from other countries, from America,
Yeah.
to come to bring it here,
Yeah.
from through airplane.
Yes,
You
yeah.
don't search that airplane that you must check inside what you put inside.
Yeah.
Only as you searching, that's because we are black people.
Ish.
That means you South Africa, you don't want black people,
Yeah.
or you hate black people. Simply, you hate black people.
So I think the drug matter. The drugs matter. Like I think this doesn't affect you as Malawians because like you are known as like people who are about overseamen, who are working very hard.
No.
So I think that let's touch the place where you said like you are exchanging money here because the people from spaza shops are buying from ShopRite and stuff. There's this thing that has been trending here on social media saying these people they make their own things. They make their grandpas. They do not stock from Unilever or ShopRite or something. Do you have a comment on that?
Those people, I'm not sure about that. Yeah, because and what I'm wondering is what only they can say that they said like expire things like that, but they're still buying from those shops. Why they still buying from those shops? Yet they know that everything they make.
I think there's no choice. They've got no other options because those are only shops that are around them. So they must.
In location, they got a spice shop, a lot of spice shop in location. They still why they don't go to ShopRite to buy from there? They're still buying those small shops. Why they're saying that they're making
expire things. Yeah,
that means they're not thing like that.
Yes,
They don't think. Only thing they know is that maybe only to fight black people only. Only to fight black people. Like to put your comment like drugs, you said that no, we are not involved in the drugs like a deal. We are involved because I'm here for black people. You understand? If you say that Nigeria they selling drugs, that means you put even me you put inside those things. You understand? If you can say that Malawian they sell drugs, there's no need to stop that. No, you mustn't say about drugs. No. So if you say that, if you point it, like, black people they sell drugs. Hey, this one they killing each other. Black people. No, I'm here. I'm involved there.
So you're matching yourself with Nigerians. You're matching yourself with those people.
I'm African, my bro. I'm African. Because Nigerian people, I'm not sure that they're selling drugs. But what I said that even Indians they sell drugs, but you don't know. Maybe you know, but you hide it. You understand?
But it's manufactured there.
White people they selling drugs, but you don't know. Maybe you know, but you hide it. You only go straight point to black people. Why are you doing like that? That means you're hating black people.
Yeah.
You're hating black people.
Yeah, I think you say. You cleared everything. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Anyone who wants to comment?
Men, where are the women who are pregnant? The one carrying babies.
Nembona abantu akhona
Moya phansi ngeke bakwazi ukukhuluma
bona abantu akhona lamaningi la abantu yahamba 7000 athi abantu akufika thatha umsebenzi abantu bonke khona la 6000 even 7000 behamba namhlanje angazi kuzogotoka ndihamba ekhaya
Khawo
mina ukubuza kahle abantu le 7000
khuluma
khona amazilota
khuluma uthini
bangaka abantu yazi nawo lo mbuzo
yeah
okay ukubuza la akhona abantu akufika ufuna ukukhuluma abantu akufika uthatha umsebenzi so ndiyahamba namhlanje akhona abantu ahambele Cape Town abantu 150 bahamba ekhaya so abantu akhona amazulu angazi amaFrikaans othathola umsebenzi abantu 150 namhlanje likhona labantu amaningi 6000 yebo siyahamba siyagojoka amakantri so ufuna ukubuza mina kahle kahle ukuthi izohamba thina abantu akufika amabhereke mkhuma kanjalo amazayizayi sizohamba amazayizayi thina akhona abantu ukuthi abantu amazulu azothatha umsebenzi behambile thina kuphela kwenyanga
so kabe yamone nguphi umsebenzi owenzayo wena
mina ngiyasebenza ku-Trax
kuphi Trax yini le wenzayo
ngiyawakha
yeah so angithi nabo bakhala ngokuthi nibiza kancane nina bona babiza kakhulu niyabalimaza umsebenzi
I think I'm
yeah.
Singabenza umsebenzi womuntu.
So ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengoba wena uzohamba mhlawumbe ukhona omunye umuntu abazoqasha khona umsebenzi wakho ubusuqedile obuwenza ubungawuqedi manje umtshelile lo umuntu lo oqashile ukuthi usuyahamba
Ngitshela ukuthi siyahamba.
ish yeah
Ngitshela ukuthi siyahamba. Adiphile 30 days
Yeah.
sihambe
Yeah.
thina sonke abantu sonke.
yes
Yebo?
yeah
Thina siyahamba. Even nonto mtshele umuntu mina ngidasebenza kwa yena mina manje adiphile 30 days.
yeah
Kuthi sebenze tihamba.
Yeah.
So tihamba sebenzini akhona abantu atishaya.
yeah yeah
Yatishaya abantu.
Yeah.
Kodwa abantu, kodwa abantu akufika.
Yeah.
Yebo?
Yeah.
Sizothola imali ke.
yeah
Yothi kodwa phela.
yeah
Awusabi inkabi yami ngase kuthiwa amabhasi mhlawumbe yaphe kuthiwa akasiza amabhasi. Awusabi mhlawumbe ungahlala kabuhlungu.
Kusho kumhlungu kukhona. Yebo?
Yeah.
Ubone indawo tilala thina phansi la. Tilala ufana namaphapha. Yebo? Even nakhuluma
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Bantu basemalawi laba lapheshe ward labalenze khamba ababili emakhaya bayakhala ngokuthi bashiya abantwana babo emuva. They are saying ukuthi they've been here in South Africa for the longest time. They now even have kids with South African ladies, and bakhaliswa indaba yokuthi isimo siyabaphoqa ukuthi bahambe babili emakhaya and leave their kids behind. And they are also asking ukuthi kungani kuqoshwe bona abantu abamnyama kuphela kungaqoshwa belungu. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.